Transposable elements, TEs, also known as jumping genes, are DNA sequences that move from one location on the genome to another, and this phenomenon is known as transposition. These are also referred to as mobile elements and transposons. Typically, they are quite small, ranging from 500 to 10,000 nucleotide pairs, but some are larger. TEs have been identified in all organisms, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and can occupy a high proportion of a species' genome. For example, transposable elements comprise approximately 10% of several fish species, 12% of the Caenorhabditis elegans genome, 37% of the mouse genome, 45% of the human genome, and up to more than 80% of the genome of some plants like maize. The major categories of TEs are distinguished by their transposition mechanisms: DNA transposons and retrotransposons. DNA transposons are again classified into first, cut and paste or non-replicative transposons. It is found in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and in which an element is cut out of one site in a chromosome and pasted into a new site. Examples are insertion sequence, IS50 elements in bacteria, composite transposons, example TN5 in bacteria, AC or DC element in maize, P and HOBO elements in Drosophila, piggyback in moth, and sleeping beauty in salmon. Second is copy and paste or replicative transposons. It is found in prokaryotes only. For example, TN3. In it, an element is replicated and one copy is inserted at a new site. One copy also remains at the original site. Now, the retrotransposons. It is found in eukaryotes only. In this, an element's RNA is used as a template to synthesize DNA molecule, which are inserted into new chromosomal sites, which produces RNA molecules that are reverse transcribed by an enzyme reverse transcriptase into DNA molecules. There are several different types of retrotransposons, including long interspersed nuclear elements, lines, and short interspersed nuclear elements, SINEs. About 20% of the human genome is made up of lines. They are categorized as retrotransposons. These are retrovirus-like elements, also known as long terminal repeats, LTR. It includes TY1 element in yeast, Copia and Gypsy element in Drosophila. Retroposons. Examples are F, G and I element in Drosophila, telomeric retrotransposons in Drosophila, lines for example L1 in humans, SINEs for example ALU in humans. Barbara McClintock 1902 to 1992 of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, New York, was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1983 for her pioneering discovery of transposable elements between 1940s to 1950s in maize or corn, Zea mays, which were formerly identified as mutator genes by Marcus Rhodes in 1930s. Barbara McClintock demonstrated purple spots in otherwise white corn kernels are results of transposase elements. McClintock discovered transposable elements by analyzing genetic stocks of maize that were phenotypically unstable. Maize has 10 chromosomes, numbered from largest 1 to smallest 10. While analyzing the breakage of maize chromosomes, McClintock noticed that in one strain of maize, chromosome 9 broke very frequently and at one particular site or locus. Breakage of the chromosome at this locus was due to the presence of two genetic factors. One factor that she called DS for dissociation was located at the site of the break. Another unlinked genetic factor was required to activate the breakage of chromosome 9 at the DS locus. Thus, McClintock called this second factor AC for activator. McClintock began to suspect that AC and DS were actually mobile genetic elements when she found it impossible to map AC. McClintock concluded that such unstable phenotypes resulted from the movement or transposition of DS away from the C gene. At the beginning of kernel development, the DS transposon is inserted into the colored C gene, resulting in colorless tissue. DS transposition early in kernel development restores the C gene, giving rise to a large colored sector, while transposition later in kernel development result in smaller colored sectors. Conclusions drawn from these experiments and observations are: DS requires some factor provided by AC to move, whereas AC is independent. Because of their relationship, AC is termed as an autonomous element and DS as non-autonomous element. Because both AC and DS can move, they are called transposable genetic elements. Plant transposons possess ITR sequences, inverted terminal repeat sequences, and generate short repeats at target sites. These are of two types: autonomous elements and non-autonomous elements as described earlier. AC is just over 4.5 kb long and encodes for a 3.5 kb mRNA that is translated into a transposase protein which is partly deleted in DS. The transposase is responsible for excising the transposable element anywhere in the genome through its recognition of specific sequences. In AC, the transposase gene is flanked on either sides by 10 base pair inverted repeat sequences which are essential for transposition. Each IR contains an AAA-CGG motif that acts as the transposase binding sequence. Mutations in this sequence would abolish the transposable element's ability to move. Now, mechanism of transposition. The transposase also recognizes sequences within the genome, making 8 base pair staggered cuts within the chromosome for the transposable element to get inserted. DNA hairpin intermediates form in host DNA during transposition. As the cut is staggered, the 8 base pair single stranded genomic DNA on either side of the transposable elements needs to be filled in using host DNA polymerase, thereby creating 8 base pair target site duplication that flank the transposable elements. When the transposable element later excises from the site, the 8 base pair duplication remains at the site as a direct repeat to mark where the element has been as a footprint. The human genome is populated by a diverse array of transposable elements that collectively account for 44% of all human DNA. retrotransposons represent a highly unique group of transposable elements and form large portions of the genomes of many eukaryotes. Now, retrotransposons function by a copy and paste mechanism. Thus, they leave behind the original copy and generate a second copy that is inserted elsewhere in the genome. This process results in the insertion of repetitive sequences of DNA throughout the genome and is the mechanism responsible for the vast spread of transposable elements in many higher organisms. The first step in retrotransposition occurs when the transposable DNA is copied into RNA. The RNA segment then jumps to another location in the genome. However, in order to be inserted into the genome at the new site, the RNA must be copied back into DNA by an enzyme called reverse transcriptase. Human retrotransposons. ALU1 signs short interspersed sequences. ALU1 signs are nearly 300 base pair long, repeated 3 lakh to 5 lakh times. These are flanked by 7 to 20 base pair direct repeats. ALU1 signs detected in neurofibromatosis intron results in loss of an exon and non-functional protein. L1 lines, long interspersed sequences. These are 6.5 kb elements repeated 50,000 to 1 lakh times, nearly 5% of the genome. It contains open reading frame with homology to reverse transcriptase, which lacks LTRs. Some cases of hemophilia known to result from newly transposed L1 insertions. Now, TY elements in yeast. It is similar to bacterial transposons and contains terminal repeated sequences. These can integrate at non-homologous sites with target site duplication. TY elements share properties with retroviruses, retrotransposons, like synthesize RNA copy and make DNA using reverse transcriptase, and here also cDNA, complementary DNA, integrates at a new chromosomal site. Drosophila transposons. Approximately 15% of Drosophila genome thought to be mobile. P elements are typical example. Hybrid dysgenesis, defects arise from crossing of specific Drosophila strains, occurs when haploid genome of male P strain possesses nearly 40 P elements per genome. P elements vary in length from 500 to 2900 base pair. P elements code a repressor present in cytoplasm, which makes them stable in the P strain, but unstable when crossed to the wild type female. Female lacks repressor in cytoplasm. It is used experimentally as transformation vectors. Genetic instabilities have also been found in bacteria. Bacterial transposons move within and between chromosomes and plasmids. The bacterial chromosome may contain several copies of an IS element. Plasmids may also contain IS elements. When a particular insertion sequence element is found on both a plasmid and a chromosome, homologous recombination may occur. Bacterial transposons comes under cut and paste or non-replicative type. Transposons which consist of insertion sequences or IS50 elements and TN3 elements. Both of these classes are related to each other. Insertion sequences or IS elements. IS elements are the simplest form of mobile elements in bacteria. They are normal constituents of many bacterial chromosomes, bacterial plasmids and bacterial virus genomes. IS elements were first detected in certain LEC negative gene mutations of E. coli. It reverses the wild type phenotype. IS elements consist of a relatively short 700 to 2500 base pair DNA segment flanked by a 10 to 40 base pair inverted terminal repeat ITR sequence. A complete IS element codes for the protein transposase that involves in promoting and regulating transposition. Thus, transposition requires that the IS element carry a promoter recognized by RNA polymerase of the host cell. IS50 element. Bacterial transposons are demarcated by inverted terminal repeats. When they insert into the DNA molecule, they create a duplication of sequences at the insertion site, a target site duplication via 3 steps. Molecules of transposase remain attached to both ends of the excised IS elements. Next, the IS element with bound transposase makes staggered cuts in the 2 strands of the new target site DNA. The IS element get inserted into the gap created by staggered cleavage of the target DNA. DNA synthesis fills in the gaps on each side of the IS element to create direct terminal repeat DTR target site duplication that is characteristic of transposable elements. The transposase is transacting. This means that the transposase expressed from a complete IS element in one location may mobilize the transposition of a defective IS element elsewhere in the cell, which lacks a functional transposase gene, but only if the defective IS element has an ITR sequence recognized by the transposase produced by the complete element. The term autonomous and non-autonomous are sometimes used to distinguish complete and defective versions of IS elements. Molecules of the transposase bind to the ITR sequences at the ends of IS and bring the 2 ends together into a complex so that the IS element is looped out. Then it cuts both DNA strands to excise the element. Subsequently, the DNA strands of the vacated sites are reconnected. Transposons, TN elements. Transposons are similar to IS elements, but are more complex structurally and carry additional genes. Bacterial transposons can be grouped into 4 broad structural classes. Members of the class containing TN5 and TN10 possess a pair of IS elements on either side of a DNA sequence that is transposed. Although the right and left hand IS elements are nearly identical, only one of the IS element encodes the transposase that is required for transposition. The difference between the left element of TN5, which is called IS50L, and the right element IS50R is a single nucleotide change. This creates an Occray mutation in the genes both for the transposase and for a second protein that is translated into the same reading frame and at the same time creates a promoter pointed to the right. These are of 2 types, composite and non-composite transposon. Composite transposons. Composite transposons are bacterial cut and paste transposons. These are denoted by the symbol Tn and are created when 2 IS elements insert near each other. Composite transposons consist of 2 IS elements flanking a region that contains one or more genes for antibiotic resistance like CAM for chloramphenicol, KAN for kanamycin, STR for streptomycin, TET for tetracycline, BLE for bleomycin. Now, non-composite transposons. These carry genes like genes for antibiotic resistance, but do not terminate with the IS elements. Typical example of non-composite transposons is TN3 element. TN3 elements are larger than the IS elements. TN3 elements like composite transposons contain genes that are not required for transposition. Genetic organization of TN3. TN3 belongs to a second class of transposons. Members of this group do not contain flanking IS sequences and possess only short inverted repeats at their ends. Their transposition requires two transposon encoded proteins, a transposis and another protein. Moreover, transposition by these elements requires more than of two proteins and the ends of the transposon. A DNA site in the middle of the transposon is also required. Without this site, the transposon does not complete transposition events. It copies itself into new locations, but connects the old locations to the new. Consequently, a transposon lacking the internal site fuses the donor and target DNA replicons when it attempts transposition. These properties demonstrate that the transposition by these transposons occur by copying rather than by excision and reintegration. TN3 is 5 kb with 38 base pair ITRs and include 3 genes: BLA for beta lactamase, TNPA for transposase and TNPR for resolvase, which functions in recombination. It also contains ampicillin resistant gene. TN3 elements produce target site duplication when they transpose. Transposition of TN3. Similar to that of IS elements, duplication at target sites occur. Transposition may be replicative, but it can also be non-replicative, transposon lost from the original site. Transposition of TN3 takes place in steps like includes association, replication, co-integration, transposase or integrase and resolution. TN3 is a replicative transposon that transposes by temporarily fusing DNA molecule into a co-integrate. When the co-integrate is resolved, each of the constituent DNA molecule emerges with a copy of TN3. It results in the same type of mutations as IS elements: insertions, deletions, changes in gene expression or duplication. In rare cases, transposons are associated with genetic mutations or chromosomal rearrangements that cause disease in humans. Disease typically arises from the insertion of transposons into particular regions of genes that are involved in regulating gene activity. These are found in most life forms, and the scientific community is still exploring their evolution and their effect on genome evolution. The Sleeping Beauty transposon system has been used extensively as an insertional tag for identifying cancer genes. Interspersed repeats within genomes are created by transposition events accumulating over evolutionary time. Because interspersed repeats block gene conversion, they protect novel gene sequences from being overwritten by similar gene sequences and thereby facilitate the development of new genes. TEs may also have been co-opted by the vertebrate immune system as a means of producing antibody diversity. Now, coming to the conclusion, transposable element insertions may be advantageous or disadvantageous through means of regulating the expression level of adjacent genes. The field of adaptive transposable elements research is still under development and more findings can be expected in the future.